Hello and welcome to this video on how to build muscle mass. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, building muscle can be a challenging process, but with the right approach, it's certainly achievable. In this video, we'll cover the 3 key elements to building muscle mass: a balanced diet, proper rest, and an effective workout routine. Let's start with nutrition. To build muscle, you need to eat a balanced diet that includes enough protein to support muscle growth. Aim to consume 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight each day, spread out over several meals. Good sources of protein include chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, and dairy products. In addition to protein, you'll also need to consume carbohydrates to provide your body with the energy it needs to work out and build muscle. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and limit your intake of simple sugars like candy and soda. Now let's talk about rest. Building muscle requires more than just working out. You also need to give your body time to recover and grow. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body repair and rebuild muscle tissue. In addition to sleep, you'll also want to take rest days from your workout routine. This gives your muscles time to recover and prevents overtraining, which can actually hinder muscle growth. Aim to take at least 1 or 2 rest days each week. Finally, let's talk about your workout routine. To build muscle, you'll need to engage in resistance training, which involves working your muscles against some form of resistance, such as weights or resistance bands. Here are some tips for creating an effective workout routine. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Gradually increase the weight you lift over time to continue challenging your muscles. Aim to work each muscle group at least twice a week, with a day or 2 of rest in between workouts. Don't forget about cardio. While resistance training is key to building muscle, cardio can help improve overall health and fitness. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your muscle building goals. Remember to be patient and consistent, and don't give up if you don't see results right away. Building muscle takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Thanks for watching, and happy muscle building. For more, like and subscribe to The Lives of Men.